What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be discovering another amazing African company which is doing some great job out there. So today we're discovering autochek, and you can check out autochek at autochek.africa, and the check doesn't have a C, so you can check it out there and you see what they are all about. So basically, when you get to their website, you directly see their mission: buy a car and pay easily over 48 months. So you can easily split the payments for the car you get over a long period of time. And so you see equally the different pages where they operate. You have Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Morocco, and equally Egypt. So about autochek, autochek Africa is an automotive technology development company that builds solutions aimed at enabling and enhancing commerce within the automotive sector. Our vision, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There isn't a lot going on here on this website. You just have their vision and about them, but it basically gives you an idea of what you're going to be dealing with. So if we check out their application on Play Store, let's see what it looks like. So here you can see they have over 500 downloads. Autochek, I'm not sure this is the right autochek. Seems there's something else with that name. All right, so this is the correct autochek. So yeah, as you can see, they have over 100,000 downloads, which shows you that they are a serious company doing a lot of things. Autochek, auto sales and loans. So yeah, checking out the application, you have a simple interface: find great value for your car and get paid in no time. You'll be easily able to sell your car. Autochek, auto doctor, don't know what's wrong. Okay, maintenance services, autochek, auto financing, and many other things. Yeah, so I guess they provide you ways to buy a car and split over the payments over multiple months. There isn't a lot of information to go off, but I think it's an interesting company, or it's an interesting idea of something that works out there. And you can see they have over 100,000 downloads on their application, which shows you that it's a serious company and it's doing a lot of things. So this is very interesting to me. I'm not really sure how well it works, but definitely check them out, make use of their services if you're in one of these countries, and let us know how well it does. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.